So we have a problem. I was doing some maintenance on the filters and I dropped one of my fittings inside the barrel, and I took the net to scoop it out, and I scooped up a bunch of trout. So the trout's ending up in the filters, which means I have to go through every single filter now, and then also I have to resolve the issue that's causing them to get up into our filters, which means they have to come through the solids lifting overflow inside the fish tanks. It's the only way. Maybe I didn't put end caps on the sides of the PVC tees. They could be going up through there. I just took out about 6 trout from here, and then 2 of them have died inside here. So the ones that are dead might be dead ones that are being pulled up through the sump, or they died inside the filter. It seems like they were actually doing quite well. We do have a high volume turnover through these barrels, so let's hope not too many of them got injured, and let's see if we can save some of the trout that end up inside these filters. So just to give you an idea, this is with one scoop, and this is the second scoop that I've made taking out fish, which means there's quite a bit more inside here. Already there's like 6 again. That's 12 already in this one filter. So what's gonna happen now is I'm quickly gonna remove all of these filters. I'm gonna net out all of the fish, and then I will work on a solution to fix the problem of the trout moving up with the solids lifting overflow. It is now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. In an hour I need to get my child from the daycare. It's not a nice time in the afternoon to start a project like this, but let's haul some ass and let's get it done. So something that I noticed is anything that's over 5 inches, 5.5 inches, doesn't go through the solids lifting overflow. These 3 tanks all have 7 inches, and in between there were some small ones that got in. These 2 tanks so far, I only got 2 and 3 out of the tank. We'll have to check the video to make sure, but it wasn't many, maximum 3 or 4 from a tank. Where they, on the other side with the smaller trout, the 4 inches, we had about 2 scoops of 6 per scoop in each tank, and then some. So the bigger ones doesn't have that big of an issue with the current setup, but I still need to fix it because they still are getting through. So we have removed all of the fish now out of the filters. These 3 tanks on the left hand side that have the bigger trout, the 7 inches, they weren't as big as a problem. We only had a few fish in the filters there, where on this side where we have all of the 4 inches, we had more than 12 in each filter that got through. But we're gonna resolve that issue now with just a quick solution. Let me show you what we are gonna do to do that. So we just cut out a little shape, and then we put it in here to cover up any fish being able to swim in there. There will be 2 for each tank, so we need to make 12, so that's 11 more. Alright, so now we have to remove this standpipe. So this is what the bottom of the solids lifting overflow looks like. What I'm going to do now is just take these little things, I don't know what the hell they are, and I'm just gonna put it into the ends. And that will keep the fish from murdering themselves. And then I just slide it back into place. Easy as that. 5 more to go. So we just cut out a little shape and then we put it in here to cover up any fish being able to swim in there. There will be 2 for each tank, so we need to make 12, so that's 11 more.